Hello, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you about the new Solana Airdrop and how to get SOL tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find promising projects for you as quickly as possible. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely shouldn't miss such events. So I will briefly tell you what this airdrop is and demonstrate the process of getting tokens using my own example. I will leave the official resource for participation in the description below the video. Solana Airdrop is a method used by projects based on the Solana blockchain to distribute free tokens to users, often as a marketing strategy or to reward early adopters. These distributions can help increase user reach in the Solana ecosystem. Let's move on to getting tokens. The next step is to have Solana tokens in your balance to meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $6,432 worth of Solana tokens in my wallet. Then go to the official website chainsals.com, which is in the description below the video. Then you need to connect a wallet that is more active and has interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site, which must be confirmed, and wait for the token to be credited to our wallet. A couple minutes later, 5 Solana tokens were credited to my wallet. I strongly recommend not to miss this opportunity and participate in this airdrop, as this will be a great way to replenish your crypto wallet. If you have any problems, write in the comments below the video. I would be glad to help. Good luck to everyone.